How to turn off safe chat on Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Roblox account. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner you can find this settings icon. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on this option of settings. Now at the left corner you will find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of privacy. Open it. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Under communications you'll find different options. Customizing these options, you can easily disable safe chat on Roblox. Firstly, head towards this option of who can message me. Set it to everyone or friends. Likewise, head towards another option who can text chat with me in app. Set it to friends. Likewise, head towards another option who can text chat with me. Set it to everyone. Once you customize all these settings, you will be good to go. You have just disabled safe chat on Roblox. In the case you have toggle on for this option of account restrictions, you'll need to type in the parental PIN to customize these settings. Once you type in that PIN, you will be able to customize these settings. Well, this is how you can easily turn off safe chat on Roblox. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.